In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro templates with our full 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned Miro user or just starting, understanding how to use templates effectively can truly transform your workflow. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Miro.com. You'll be greeted by Miro's colorful and intuitive homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. This is your entryway to accessing countless tools and resources Miro has to offer. Now go ahead and sign in. You can do this using your email or, if you prefer, your Google account for easy access. If you choose to continue with email, simply click on that option and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This step ensures that all the boards you create and edit are saved to your personal workspace. Once logged in, you should find yourself on your Miro dashboard. This is where all your projects live. To explore the vast range of templates Miro offers, look for the Explore Templates button and click on it. This will open up a library of templates designed to help streamline a variety of workflows, from brainstorming sessions to project management. Now it's time to find the perfect template for your needs. You can use the search bar at the top to enter keywords related to your project, or scroll through the categories until something catches your eye. With the right template in mind, click on Use Template to add it to your Miro dashboard. The fun part begins as you customize the template to fit your project's unique requirements. Start by renaming the template. Click on the title, usually at the top of the board, and type in a new name that reflects the purpose or focus of your project. Beyond naming your template, consider diving deeper into customization by renaming the columns within your template. This can be especially useful if you need specific categorizations that the default setup doesn't include. Simply click on each column's title and overwrite the existing text with your preferred labels. Each tweak you make represents a step toward a personalized board that best suits your project's needs. Spend as much time as necessary to ensure everything aligns just right. And remember, customizing your template isn't just about aesthetics, it's a step toward greater productivity and clarity in your workflow. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the use of Miro templates. Whether you're collaborating with a team or working solo, these templates can significantly enhance how you plan and execute projects. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials. Happy mirroring!